Hey there, coders. Welcome back to our channel. If you want to become a coding wizard and enhance your programming prowess, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore the wonders of ChatGPT and how it can revolutionize the way you code. So, without further ado, let's get started. Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, struggling to find the right lines of code? Do you wish you had a coding companion to assist you, a virtual partner that could generate code snippets, spot bugs, and help you level up your coding skills? Well, your wish is about to come true with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It's trained on a massive amount of programming data, making it an incredible assistant for coders like you. So, let's see how you can use ChatGPT to supercharge your coding journey. Number 1. Getting started with ChatGPT for coding. To get started, head over to the OpenAI website and find ChatGPT. If you're new to the platform, sign up for an account, and you're good to go. Once you're in, select the coding mode, and let's begin the coding magic. Number 2. Coding assistance and code generation. Imagine having your own coding genius sitting right beside you. With ChatGPT, you get precisely that. Type in your coding query, and ChatGPT will generate code snippets for you. It can assist with multiple programming languages, whether it's Python, JavaScript, Java, or any other popular language. Number 3. Debugging like a pro with ChatGPT. Finding pesky bugs in your code can be frustrating. But fear not, ChatGPT is an excellent bug hunter. Describe the issue, and it will help you pinpoint the problem areas and suggest possible solutions. It's like having a debugging guru right at your fingertips. Number 4. Learning from ChatGPT. Coding isn't just about writing lines of code, it's also about learning and improving. ChatGPT is an ideal learning companion. Ask questions about programming concepts, best practices, or even request explanations for complex topics. ChatGPT will provide clear and concise answers, helping you level up your skills. And there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is your ultimate AI-powered coding companion. From code generation to debugging and learning, it's got your back. So, why wait? Give it a try and elevate your coding game to new heights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting coding tips and AI-powered adventures. Happy coding! Thanks for watching. See you next time.